What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna do some unboxing for this camera that I just purchased. It's the Fuji XT3. I'm very excited to first of all purchase this. I had a good deal. I basically bought this camera along with the 18 to 55 mil, I think 2.8 something. It's pretty good deal. I think I bought it for $1,700 total, or maybe 18, I forgot. But yeah, so like I said, we're gonna do some unboxing. So let's unbox this baby. Oh yeah. So I bought this SD card. It's not the right one, but it's the start. You're supposed to get the UHS-2, but this will do for now, but we'll definitely need a faster one. Let's see, there's some, I don't know what this is. Alright, let's keep that away. There's the instruction manual. It's pretty lengthy, as you can see. We'll read that later. Aha. Let's see what's in here first. Oh. Aha. It's in Japanese. I don't know what this is. Oh, I think it's the lens. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's the 18 to 55 mil, 2.8 to 4. This comes with the what is this? Optical image stabilization. Can you see that? Yeah. And it comes with the hood, the lens hood. That. Let's back it up for a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, there's the lens. Just feeling this. It's weight. I mean, it has some weight to it, and you can tell it's high quality. I guess you can turn on your image stabilization through here, and yeah, yep. So onto the camera. There it is. Oh yeah, so I got this silver and black. So I really wanted the all black color, but this is what they have. So yeah, here it goes. Yep. Sure, it comes with a charger. So yeah, there's the camera. We'll play with this in the next video, but like I said, this is just the unboxing. That's the last box inside the box. Alright, so there you have, what is this? Oh look, is this a flash? I don't know what it is. Okay. So here is the charger. Yeah. What is this? Charger. straps, and then oh look, it's the plug that goes into the power. Oh, the actual battery. Here we go. So there you have it. Hopefully a quick unboxing of the Fuji XT3, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later.